everyone. Today we are going to solve MCQs of a question paper. These MCQs are going to be very helpful in the exams. So let's start. This question paper comprises 6 sections A, B, C, D, E, F. Today we will solve section A. Section A has 1 to 20 questions, means it has 20 questions of 1 mark each. These are the MCQs. So the number 1 is, which of the following statement did not define the term liberal nationalism for the people of Europe in the 19th century? Here are the 4 options. Option A is freedom for the individual and equality before the law. B is government by consent. C is end of autocracy and clerical privileges. D is government empowered to violate the right to private property. And the right answer is government empowered to right the government empowered to violate the right to private property. Second question is, on which of the following modern aspects did the New Germany place a strong emphasis? Number 1 currency, B banking, C legal system and demography. The correct answer is only 1, 2 and 3. जो 1, 2, 3 हैं options, these are the correct ones. So answer B is our right answer. Third one is, the artisans, industrial workers and peasants revolted against which one of the following in 1848 Europe? Options are economic hardships, B political instability, C monarchy, D revolutionary war. The correct answer is monarchy. Which of the following is not correctly matched? A. M.R. Jayakar Hindu Mahasabha, B. Muhammad Ali Jinnah Muslim League, C. Alluri Sitaram Raju Civil Disobedience Movement, and D. C.R. Das Swaraj Party. The correct match is not Alluri Sitaram Raju Civil Disobedience Movement. So our answer is C. Next is related to assertion and reasoning. Assertion is that non-cooperation movement failed to achieve the objective of Swaraj. And reasoning, the Congress leaders were tired of mass struggle and wanted to participate in elections to provincial council. Thus, इसमें क्या है? The assertion is true but the reason is false. Assertion true है, reason false है. So our correct answer is C. Assertion is true, reason is false. Now read the following image and answer the questions that follow. Image को read करके answers करें नीचे वाले दिए questions को. The above image depicts the boycott of foreign cloth. Foreign cloth was seen as a symbol of civil disobedience, Western economic and cultural domination, People's Revolution, dependence on British government. The correct answer is dependence on British government. Foreign cloth was seen as a symbol of dependence on British government. So correct answer is D. Now next is 7. Which of the following elements is not included in the Belgium model? इनमें से क्या Belgium model में नहीं include किया गया था? A1 is Dutch and French ministers shall be equal in the government. B is many powers of the central government have been given to the state government. C is Brussels has a separate government in which both the communities have equal representation. D is there is a community government which has special powers of administration. So the answer is D. D, there is a community government which has special powers of administration was not included in the Belgium model. Now next question is, it is also related to assertion and reasoning. Assertion is Parliament of India is permitted to change the basic structure of the constitution. Reasoning is India is a federal country. इसमें both A and R are true, but R is not a correct explanation of the assertion. जो दोनों A और R दोनों true हैं, but R A को correctly assertion को correctly define नहीं कर रहा है. So our आंसर इज बी. यहाँ ई एफ जी एच लिखा तो इसके अकॉर्डिंग आंसर क्या हो गया? एफ. अगर ए बी सी डी लिखते तो बी हो जाता. नेक्स्ट इज पोखरन, द प्लेस वेयर द इंडिया कंडक्टेड इज न्यूक्लियर टेस्ट lies in Rajasthan. The government of Rajasthan was opposed to the central government's nuclear policy and that does not want to take certain tests. Who will take the final decision regarding the nuclear policy? Central government, state government, both central and state, and Rajasthan. The correct answer is central government. Now correct the following statement. Shift of population from rural to urban areas is known as industrialization. No, it is known as urbanization. So industrialization को काट कर हम urbanization लिखेंगे. Next one is intensive subsistence farming is practiced in the areas of high population या low population या deserts and thick forest. The correct answer is high population. Next one is, which of the following statement is incorrect about rooftop rain water harvesting? A1 incorrect find out करनी है. A1 is rooftop harvesting was common across the towns and villages of the Thar. This is right. Rajasthan is the first state in India which has main rooftop rainwater harvesting structure compulsory for all to across the state. No, this is wrong. राजस्थान फर्स्ट स्टेट नहीं था, तमिलनाडु था फर्स्ट स्टेट. तो ये क्या होगी, इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट होगी. तो हमारा आंसर भी यही होगा बी. बाकी भी रीड कर लेते हैं. द रेन वाटर कैन बी स्टोर्ड इन द टंकास टिल द नेक्स्ट रेनफॉल मेकिंग इट एन एक्सट्रीमली रिलायबल सोर्स ऑफ ड्रिंकिंग वाटर. यस. Many houses constructed underground rooms adjoining the tankas to beat the summer heat as it would keep the room cool. Yes, it is also right. Next, 13th, choose the incorrect statement from the following regarding joint forest management program. A is incorrect choose करनी है फिर से. Under this joint forest management program, local communities are involved in the management and restoration of degraded forests. It is right. B is the major purpose is to protect the forest from encroachment. Right. It also works to allow gazing in the forest. No, this is incorrect. तो incorrect ही पूछा तो हमारा आंसर इस क्वेश्चन में हो गया C. This is incorrect. फोर्थ रीड करते हैं. इन रिटर्न द मेंबर्स ऑफ दीज कम्युनिटीज आर एंटाइटल्ड टू intermediary benefits like non-timber forest produce. It is also correct. Next one is identify the soil type. Develops in high rainfall, intense leaching processes take place, humus content is low. So this is alluvial soil, laterite soil या sandy soil या red soil. This is a laterite soil. So answer is B. Next is an oil seed which is grown as a kharif crop in north and रबी क्रॉप इन साउथ. ऐसा ऑयल सीड जिसको नॉर्थ में खारिफ क्रॉप की तरह ग्रो किया जाता है और साउथ में रबी क्रॉप की तरह. लेट्स चेक द आंसर. द करेक्ट आंसर इज ए ग्राउंडनट, बी कास्टर, सी सीसेम, डी कॉफी. द करेक्ट आंसर इज सीसेम. सीसेम है इसका राइट आंसर. सी इज द राइट आंसर. Next is, which of the following goals of development should be prioritized in this region? The picture given है, we have to answer it. A, reducing income disparities. B, combating climate change. C, ending gender violence. या D, ensuring caste equality. The correct answer is reducing income disparities. देखिए कितनी बड़ी बिल्डिंग है, कुछ लोग यहाँ झोंपड़ियों में रह रहे हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि वहाँ इनकम में डिस्पैरिटीज है, तो इसको कम करना चाहिए. इस पिक्चर को देख के हमें ये समझ आ रहा है. नेक्स्ट 17, रीड द फॉलोइंग डेटा एंड आंसर द क्वेश्चंस गिवन बिलो. डेटा गिवन है, वी हैव टू आंसर द क्वेश्चंस. व्हाट परसेंट विल द पीपल ऑफ बिहार हैव टू वर्क मोर टू रीच अप टू द एजुकेशन लेवल ऑफ केरला? बिहार को कितना वर्क करना पड़ेगा ताकि वो उसका एजुकेशन लेवल केरला तक का पहुंच जाए? तो बिहार का कितना है 62 और यह कितना है 94. तो उनको 32% ओवरवर्क करना पड़ेगा. सो द राइट आंसर इज 32%. सी. नेक्स्ट 18 इज, ए मैन इज एम्प्लॉयड इन अ फूड प्रोसेसिंग फार्म वेयर ही हैज टू डू अ लॉट ऑफ मैनुअल वर्क. हिज वाइफ एंड सन ऑल्सो हेल्प हिम इन दिस वर्क ऑन द फार्म एवरी डे. विच टाइप ऑफ अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट इज बीइंग रेफर्ड इन दिस एग्जाम्पल? तो अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट बतानी है किस तरह की है. तो फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज सीजनल अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट, डिस्गाइज्ड अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट या ओवर अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट या फिर साइक्लिक अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट. द करेक्ट आंसर इज डिस्गाइज्ड अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट. ऐसी एम्प्लॉयमेंट जिसमें पर्सन के साथ साथ उसकी फैमिली भी विदाउट एनी पे काम करती है, उसको हम बोलते हैं डिस्गाइज्ड अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट. नेक्स्ट इज 19th, ऑब्जर्व द ग्राफ गिवन बिलो एंड आंसर द क्वेश्चन. ग्राफ गिवन है और उसके बेस पे हमने क्वेश्चन को आंसर करना है. Which the following statement best explains the graph? The production in all the sectors has decreased and it has decreased the most in the primary sector. नहीं, decrease नहीं हुई है, तो wrong. The production in all the three sectors has increased and it has increased the most in the primary sector. No, primary sector में तो increase नहीं हुई है बिल्कुल भी. The production in all the three sectors has increased and it increased the most in the tertiary sector. Yes, ये tertiary sector में सबसे ज्यादा इंक्रीज हुई है. तो करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट इज दिस वन. देखिए इंक्रीज हुई है और कौन से सेक्टर में इंक्रीज हुई है? टर्चरी में. फोर्थ भी देख लेते हैं. द प्रोडक्शन इन ऑल द थ्री सेक्टर्स आर इंक्रीज एंड ऑल द थ्री सेक्टर्स हैव सिमिलर ग्रोथ. नो, इट इज ऑल्सो इनकरेक्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 20 इज why did Manchester export to India decline after the First World War? Option A, people were busy fighting the war. B, factories closed down due to security problems. C, factories and mills were busy producing goods to fulfill the need of army. Yes, this is the right answer. C is our right answer. D को भी देखते हैं. Export trade was restricted by the government. No. तो राइट आंसर क्या है? फैक्ट्रीज एंड मिल्स वर बिजी प्रोड्यूसिंग गुड्स टू फुलफिल द नीड्स ऑफ आर्मी ड्यूरिंग फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर या आफ्टर फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर. ओके, होप यू लाइक दिस वीडियो. ये वीडियो आपको कैसी लगी मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर बताइए. अपने व्यूज शेयर कीजिए. थैंक यू सो मच.